Hey guys, it's 600 here again, and I'm back with more LLP, Little Let's Play of Saints Row the Third. I am more active than what I was before, and you might be wondering, well, how did he do this so fast? Well, I only took a break for a little bit to upload the video, and now I'm going to be continuing. Actually, you know what? I should be sitting right here. Hopefully I'm not in the way. No, not in the way. No. Damn. Hold on. Alright, this is better. This way you can't see me, I'm not in the way, but I can see the TV and so can you. I know this is crappy quality, but hey, at least you got something. So in the last episode, well, in the last little Let's Play Saints Row the Third episode, I stole an Infuego and was talking to Pierce. Let's continue. I finished talking to him in the last video. So yeah, it's all a matter of just coming right here, right around the corner. What the hell?
You know the best place to start selling?
Let's cut right to the heart of this shit. Hit the Morningstar territory.
Yeah, but where? There's a lot of city.
The documents we got with those keys gave up a whole lot.
And you got the
Really?
best places off those? Shit, why didn't you say so? What we got in stock?
Got some basic merchandise, you know, like shirts and lunchboxes.
And anything else?
Well, there's always my demo team.
Oh, well, I thought you said we wanted fans.
Just shooting. I'm gonna put on my mixtape.
Saints always win.
Shit, I got the cops on us. Better not be no fucking undercover cop. Oh wait, sorry. She looks slutty as hell. Go.
Yeah, and with or else.
I don't think that'll work.
Really?
And it takes talent to hit all that shit.
I really need to mix up my mixtape. The only song on there is Aqua Teen Hunger Force remix. Pierce, worst driver ever.
I think you broke it.
Dude, fucking get in the car before I die.
Pierce, you're a fucking natural.
Fuck right I am.
You ever managed the Planet Saints?
Not cool.
And you can always tell where you've been driving.
Let's pick this up another time.
Whoa.
Work on my technique.
And Morningstar ain't going anywhere. Yet.
They're gonna be leaving. Because I'm gonna kick their asses. Screw you, I came right here first. Trafficking, yada yada yada. Whatevers.
If we're gonna get a cash flow going,
6 minutes, alright.
You wanna rob some store?
that'll cause more problems than it's worth. I'm saying we buy one from the Morningstar.
Because they'll jump at the chance to sell to us.
Nope, because we already have the deed.
Come again?
We take the deed from the lockbox and purchase the store in our name instead.
Well, they can't argue.
Wow, that's actually a pretty good plan. But not as good as a plan as I would have. I'd actually have a better plan.
You lost your ride.
Bitch. Yeah. Maybe I should start off by opening with a random game, and then start playing the game I want to LP. Well, LLP at the moment. Little Let's Play is what this is called. Little Let's Play Saints Row the Third. That's what this is. Little Let's Play Saints Row the Third.
Owning it gives us a discount.
I'll take that.
This city's full of businesses and buildings we can snatch up. Not like the syndicate will need them when we're through. But we're gonna need steel point on our side too. Drive around and see if we got any fans here.
Oops. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do something that I never thought I would. I'm sorry, guys, but I freaking hate this. I don't freaking like reloading. Okay, carry more grenades, carry more grenades, carry more grenades. Don't want infinite grenades yet. Carry more ammo, carry more ammo, carry more ammo. Oh, whoa, that was a close one. Almost carried infinite amounts of ammo for the pistol. Only up to 3. Shotgun ammo, shotgun ammo, shotgun ammo, SMG ammo. I'm sorry, I lied in the last video. I really didn't wait till the morning. It's still night out. It's actually a pretty good, it's actually a nice night. You know? Just look outside into the nice blue sky. It's not really blue at the time. I don't really know who would be up at 3:20 in the morning besides me. Haven't had anything to drink yet. So yeah, that's about it. It's a down low of the whole situation. I'm sorry, I ramble when I'm freaking tired. 10 minutes, I'll probably stop at around 15 minutes. So I'm not gonna waste all of your guys' time just doing this. I just have to right now because if I don't, then it's a freaking pain in the ass. Me and my muscles. Alright, that's good. And now see, I have to get more ammo. Just doing what I do. I do what I do and I do what I can because I can. That's what I do when I have to do what I do. The hell is this classical shit? Bitch. Fuck, go backwards. Shit. Oh fuck. How are you? See, that's fast. That's freaking fast. Sorry, Pierce, I blew up your car. You ass.
Don't go freaking out. Welcome back.
You gonna explain that shit, Pierce?
Oh, that? A little hobby of mine.
I seriously didn't know about any of that.
Yeah.
I don't mean it like that. They're collectible. They're supposed to try and find them all.
Yeah, you know what I collect? Body counts. Can we go shoot someone now? And we got any more deeds from that box?
In a parking building.
Well, we don't need another place, Pierce.
Brick and mortar, baby. Real estate is cheap.
Play the market and make a profit, man. Why the hell not?
That way they pay us instead of Morningstar. There's a certain line in this game on one of the missions when a certain operation is implied.
That's why the Saints rule.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, now I own this place.
That's what I'm talking about.
Don't think twice about coming back.
See, that's why I wanted the upgrades on the ammo and stuff in the upgrades on your phone. Because now instead of just reloading, you infinitely shoot. That's why infinite ammo is next on the list. On the upgrades. That's why.
Just warming up.
I had a friend who had no idea why it was like that. I explained it to him. He said, "Oh, no wonder." Chiquito. Well, it's my second death of the whole LP. I mean, not the whole LP. The whole LLP. Little Let's Play. Let's see. Oh, it's 15 minutes. Next time, guys, I'll be retrying the mission, alright? I want to make this 15 minutes just because I don't want it to be another long episode, alright? Well, peace.